Hey guys, I am back today and I am super excited because today I get to give you a sneak peek of my daughter's bedroom makeover. This has been such a fun challenge to take part in. Heidi Sonbouls does a Room of the Month makeover each month and I got to participate in June. So if you missed the other videos, I will have them linked below. But I wanted to start this video out just kind of giving you a view of how it was last week so you can see the progress that I've made. This week we got some DIY projects done and I got to finally hang some of the fun decorations on the wall and we got to decorate this shelf. So I am super excited to show you the progress that we have made so far. One of the ways we stayed on budget was to buy some gold spray paint and just spray paint some of the accessories that Grace already had for her room. Another inexpensive thing that we made this week was making a fluffy stool out of this old stool and a pillow we had. She's loving how the stool turned out and I'm loving that it saved me about $50 to DIY this. So the first area of her room that I'm going to show you that we have somewhat completed is her bedding is now added on her bed and her pillows along with her throw. I also finished this little gallery wall above her bed. The one thing I have left to do in this area is the hanging light, the cage light that I showed you in video number 2. We are hanging it above her bed instead of using a light on a nightstand next to her bed. So that will be in the final reveal next week. Another thing that I got done this week is accessorizing her hanging shelves that go above her desk. Now I'm actually having a hard time deciding which way I like it. You'll see I have 2 clips here. This is the first one. So let me know if you like the way I accessorized in this clip or in clip number 2, which is following this clip. I only switched up a few of the things, but I'm just having a hard time deciding which one I like better, so maybe you guys can help me. So down below in the comments, please just let me know number 1 or number 2 for how you liked me styling this hanging shelf. The final area I'm going to show you is her desk area. I got it all accessorized. We hung a picture. This little cute llama is from the Dollar Tree, as well as this Wake Up and Smile. Actually, a lot of these accessories are from the Dollar Tree. We picked up this gold and clear organizer from HomeSense for her to put her craft supplies in. We have the stool that we made. And then also I'm going to be showing you, this would be number 2 for how I accessorized my daughter's shelf. I only switched up a couple of things, so just let me know which one you liked better, 1 or 2. So what to expect for next week, I have a couple more DIY projects, I have some decorating to do, and we have to get her closet organized. I have really been enjoying watching the other ladies' progress in their rooms, so make sure you don't miss it. Check out their channels down below, as well as the playlist for June. Guys, let me know what you think of the progress in my room, and so you don't miss next week's reveal, don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and I'll see you guys next time.